Hi, welcome to Mad Mike Makes. I'm Mad Mike and I'm going to show you how to crimp PVC pipe for dust extraction. So, why do I use PVC pipe? It's a fraction of the price and it's rigid. So the beauty of it is that you can manufacture some brackets to hold it. It doesn't kind of hang all over the place. The only problem is that this PVC pipe is 110mm and the diameter of most of the dust extraction ports on the machines are a little bit less than 110mm. So I'm going to show you how you can make adapters or just shrink it and crimp it to work for smaller dust ports. Stick around, I'll be right back. Right, so what you're going to need to do this is a heat gun or a hairdryer. The hairdryer does actually work, believe it or not. You're going to need a template, and I'm going to share a trick with the template. It needs to be made in a specific way. And obviously your PVC pipe, and what I've done here is I've just clamped this down so it'll just stay in position, it won't move around, because I found that actually turning it as you heat it up helps to shape the pipe quite nicely. So here goes. Okay, so I found that even heat distribution is an important trick here. You want the pipe to heat evenly. That's why I'm kind of blowing this on the inside. If you do a longer pipe and you can't heat it up from the inside, then I would suggest that you heat it from the outside, obviously, but try and turn it a little bit faster than I'm turning it, because you need even heat distribution. So you'll see when the pipe starts curling a little bit on the inside, that is when the heat is just right, and I just keep on turning it and turning it until it reaches the bottom, or the top of the bench, or the bottom of the template. And there we go. So I'll take a little bit of air to cool it down. And there we go, it's crimped. Done. Okay, so I said to you that I would share the secret behind this this template, and the trick is the radius is very, very important. If you have a pretty small radius or a sharp radius, then what tends to happen is you'll find that the pipe bends in like that. So I think the idea is that the more you want to crimp it, the larger radius you need, and you might even need to double up on your template to make it sort of twice as deep with a bigger radius. So you can experiment, you can play around with this idea and see how it works for you. Thanks for watching.